What's up guys, it's T for Tech. Today we have iPhone X Plus 2018 review, and we're gonna make some moves about its specification and the latest iPhone news we are getting. Like we have found that there will be two iPhone X Plus and X, which are 5.8 iPhone X and the 6.3 iPhone X Plus. And then we can talk about its difference, like the iPhone X Plus is having an OLED display while the iPhone X is having a IPS LCD screen, which is makes a difference in the price. And now we have three iPhones, like iPhone X, iPhone X Plus, and an iPhone 9 I can call. Like it's having a circle camera, not like that of iPhone X Plus, a vertical, or not like the iPhone X. Thirdly, if you talk about the RAM specs, we can say that iPhone X is a better one. It comes with an OLED, and the X Plus also comes with an OLED. But if you talk about the iPhone that having a the one which is having a circular camera, it comes with a 3 gigs of RAM and an aluminum body and having a single rear camera, and this shows that this makes it price less. And then we talk about the price range. It is known that iPhone X will be cost of $800 to $900, and the 6.5-inch iPhone X Plus will cost $900 to $1,000, and then 6.1 LCD model will cost $600 to $700. That's really good. If we talk about the price range, it's really not the high one, but still the big one if you want to make some move on the new phones. And if you talk about the specs of an iPhone X Plus, it's a really good phone. It comes with the 413 ppi pixels and resolution, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel autofocus dual camera, and some other old stuff like no home button, yeah, then a notch screen, OLED display, hexa-core processor, A11 Bionic chip. That's all. And the screen quality of an iPhone X Plus is really good, as it has built a bigger screen now. And if you talk about a Note 9, it's still the best one in my review, as in terms of spec sheets, Note 9 is doing better as compared to the iPhone X Plus, 6.2-inch iPhone X Plus and 6.3-inch Note 9. And another thing is iPhone Note 9 is having 6 gigs of RAM with better storage, 256 or 512 gigs of storage, and S Pen stylus, 4000 mAh battery, quick charge. These things make it better. And that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any video from T for Tech. Thanks guys.